Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Complex Numbers of class 11. Today we are going to learn how to find the solution of a quadratic equation. In class 10, we have already learned the solution of a quadratic equation where the discriminant value is non-negative. That is b square minus 4ac value equal to 0 or greater than 0. In these two cases, how to find the solution we have already learned. Now we are going to solve quadratic equations where b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. Since we have already studied the square root of a negative real number, now we are going to learn the solution of such type of quadratic equation. We will directly go to exercise 5.3. So the question is solve the following equations. So there are 10 questions in exercise 5.3. So we are going to solve each equation. Okay, where in each of these equation b square minus 4ac value will be less than 0. So the first question is x square plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we have to solve means we have to find the value of x. So we can write x square is equal to minus 3. So this plus 3 we will take to right side. So x square is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to root of minus 3. So you know that how to find the square root of a negative real number. So how will you express this? This root of minus 3 we can write as minus 1 into 3, and this is root 3 root of minus 1 we can write as I. So plus or minus root 3i, this is the value of x. So the solution of the first equation is plus or minus root 3i. Now the second question, here a is equal to, what is a? A is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. So we have written a, b and c value. Now we will use for solving this equation, we will use quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula. This formula you have already studied in class 10. So here we are going to substitute the values of a, b and c. So what is the value of b? 1. So minus 1 plus or minus root of b square, that is 1 square, minus 4 into the value of a is 2 and c is 1 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 2. Now we will simplify, that is minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 divided by 4. So here minus 1 plus or minus, what is the number inside the square root? Minus 7. So here if you see the b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. So how will you find root of minus 7? What is the answer for root of minus 7? That is root 7i. So minus 1 plus or minus root 7i divided by 4. So these are the solutions of the given equation. Now we will see the third question. So question number 3, x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. So first we will write a, b and c value. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Now we will find out the solution using quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is minus b value is 3. Minus 3 plus or minus root of b square, that is 3 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 9 divided by 2 into a is 1. Now we will simplify this, that is minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 36 divided by 2. Now we will simplify. So minus 3 plus or minus root of, what is 9 minus 36? Minus 27 divided by 2. So this 27, how can we write this 27 minus 3 plus or minus? 27 we can write as 3 root 3i. That is roots 27 we can write as 3 root 3, and since we have negative minus 1, we can write it as, express it as I. So minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i divided by 2. So this is the solution of this third equation. Now question number 4, minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we will write a, b and c value. A is minus 1, b is 1 and c is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 2. A and c value we have substituted, that is 2 into minus divided by 2 into minus 1. That is minus 1 plus or minus, here 1 minus 4 into 2, that is 8 divided by minus 2. So when you simplify, minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 divided by minus 2. What is root of minus 7? Root 7i. So in this place we can write root 7i divided by minus root 2. So this is the solution. Now we will see the next question. So question number 5, x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So a, b and c value we will write first. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is minus 3 plus or minus root of b square, that is 3 square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c is equal to 5 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, so minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 20 divided by 2. Now we will simplify this, that is minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 11 by 2. This root minus 11 we can write as minus 3 plus or minus root 11i divided by 2. So this is the solution. Question number 6, x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 2. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is minus of b value is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. That is minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 divided by 2. So 1 minus 8 we can write as root of minus 7, that we can write as root 7i. So 1 plus or minus root 7i divided by 2. Now we'll see the next question. Question number 7, root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to root 2. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here we will substitute minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. A and c value are root 2 here, that is 4 into root 2 into root 2 divided by 2a, that is 2 into root 2. Now we will simplify minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 into 2, that is 8 divided by 2 root 2, and you know that 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So we can write minus 1 plus or minus root 7i divided by 2 root 2. So this is the answer for 7th question. Now we will see 8th one, root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. So what is the value of a, b and c? A equal to root 3, b is equal to minus root 2 and c is equal to 3 root 3. Now we will find out the solution using the formula. Here we will substitute minus of minus root 2, that is plus root 2, plus or minus root of minus root 2 the whole square, that is 2, minus 4 into a value is root 3, c value is 3 root 3, okay, divided by 2 into a is root 3. Now we will simplify, that is root 2 plus or minus root of 2 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 4 is 36 divided by 2 root 3. Now what is 2 minus 36? Minus 34. So we can write that as root 34i divided by 2 root 3. So this is the solution for 8th question. So question number 9, x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. So here what we will do, we will multiply the equation by root 2. Okay, so this equation changes into root 2x square plus root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will write a, b and c value. A is equal to root 2, b is equal to root 2 and c is equal to 1. We will find out the solution now. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is minus root 2 plus or minus root of b square. B square is root 2 square, that is 2 minus 4 into root 2 into 1 divided by 2 into a is root 2. Now we will simplify this, that is minus root 2 plus or minus root of what we have 2 minus 4 root 2. From that we will take a minus sign common. So you will get 4 root 2 minus 2. Okay. So if you have minus sign, then only you can express it in terms of I. So from these two terms we have taken minus common. So we can write 4 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 root 2. Now we will write this as plus or minus. This we can write as root of 4 root 2 minus 2. Instead of this root of minus 1, we can write I. Okay, so divided by 2 root 2. Now what we are going to do from these two expressions, so the expression inside the square root, I will take 2 common. So minus root 2 plus or minus root of 2 into 2 root 2 minus 1 I divided by 2 root 2. Now again if you see this, I can write root of AB is equal to root A into root B. In that form I can express this. So I can write this as minus root 2 plus or minus. This I can write as root 2 into root 2 minus 1 I divided by 2 root 2. Now what we can do from the first two terms in the numerator, we can take root 2 common. So root 2 into minus 1 plus or minus root of 2 root 2 minus 1 I divided by 2 root 2. So what will happen? This root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled and the answer is minus 1 plus or minus root of 2 root 2 minus 1 I divided by 2. So this is the solution of 9th question. Now we will see the 10th one. So this is the last question in exercise 5.3. Question number 10. X square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So here also we will multiply the equation by root 2. So the equation changes to root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the value of a, b and c? A is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to root 2. Now we will find out the solution. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4 into what is the value of a, root 2 into c value is also root 2 divided by 2 into root 2. Now we will simplify. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 divided by 2 root 2. So this we can write as minus 1 plus or minus 7 root 7i divided by 2 root 2. So this is the solution of this equation. In exercise 5.3 we have solved 10 quadratic equations where b square minus 4ac value less than 0. In the next video we will learn miscellaneous exercise. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription my motivation. Thank you students.